Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin vivofit Junior 3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Junior application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. After the application opens, we need to select the profile with which our watch is paired or rather connected to. Once you select the profile, tap on the settings icon. Here scroll down, find the option called pairing and tap on it. And right here we have the option called unpair this device. Tap on it, tap on unpair. It will say that device is no longer paired. You can go back. Now you can close the app, open the settings on your phone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option or connected devices. And here check if you have the vivofit Junior on the list of previously connected devices. If you have it right here, tap on the settings icon, tap on forget, and tap on forget device to remove it. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.